135, 225, 295, 365, 465, 485, 505, 505. For reference, this is just over a quarter ton. Three, two, one. What? That's the realization. Now we can do some heavy weights. Oh, I wonder if it'll fit. Oh, what do I want to put? $135, $225, $295, $365, $465, $485, $505, $515, $525, $535, $545, plus another 50 is $595. I had these U-bolts on and I had some chains. I'm going to say 610. It's being pretty conservative.
3, 2, 1.
Now, as always, don't forget your recovery. Here I have my Creactor by MuscleTech. Today I'm mixing it with some orange juice, in case you can't tell. Feel as though might possibly be getting a little bit sick or something. 2 of my kids actually had the flu right now, so as a precautionary measure, I'm increasing my vitamin C. Take that as you will, but also I figured, you know what, I'll go ahead and use that to mix my creatine formula. Need some kind of a sugar base anyway, that way you can spike your insulin and get the creatine in there. Once I'm done with this, then I'll have my protein shake. But anyway, as always, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of the future videos. Alright everyone, now to go ahead and complete your routine, go ahead and make sure that you have your protein shake. I'm mixing mine in the water. Literally no particular reason other than the fact that I ran out of milk. Let's get a little more in there. There we go. Like I said, I'm about to run out of this jug, so I'll be using my second jug, which will last probably about another 2 weeks to a month, depending on how I need to. Oh, look at that. Waste not, want not. What would you just look at that? But anyway, something I did not mention previously is that I also like to take my multivitamin as well as my fish oil immediately following my workout routine. And the reason being is because whenever you're going heavy or just in general, you definitely want to make sure you have your fish oils that way for your joint recovery. But anyway, stay tuned for next video, which will be for chest and back. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. That way you don't miss out on anything. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later.